What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Still Standing Garage. Today we're going to be talking about some of the tools that I use for body work, and here are the ones that I'm using. And it's Harbor Freight for the win. This is not a review of these tools, this is just showing you what I'm using. And let's get into it, and I'll show you what I'm using first. So this is the Dolly 7-piece body and fender set. I've used it, I've seen some more expensive ones which will be really nice, but I'm broke. This is a hobby for me. This is not something that I'm trying to, start a business with. So right now, this is what I'm using, and it's pretty cheap, and it's good. It works. I've used it. I've used this set, I believe, on everything, on the hood, the trunk lid, the body, the doors. So it's very useful. It comes with 7 pieces. I'll open it up right now so I can show you. Let's go. So what's pretty cool is that it comes in this case, and I keep it in the cardboard box just to put it away, but it comes in this case. So that's pretty cool, because I've seen some other ones like on Amazon, they don't come with the case, and it's just the hammers and dollies just by themselves. So this is a good case for it, good carrying case. This actually cost me 40 bucks, $39.99 at Harbor Freight. I'm not sure if that's the same price now, but the one that I've used the most is this one so far. Yeah, I haven't used anything else. I've used this one, and that one. I mean, there's different reviews online, but I decided to go with this anyways. It works for me. I don't have any problems with it. So $39.99 is what I'm using it for. And this is a stud welder that I'm using. Got it from Harbor Freight. Same thing. I think I paid $99.99, so 100 bucks. Not sure if that's the price now too for this one. But I've seen some other ones on Amazon. I was shopping around everywhere, and I saw that some of the Amazon ones, they were cheaper, but they didn't come with everything. Like this one comes with all this here. Like this one is all of this I'm pretty sure is made in China, but this one actually has like the China marking on it. And then this one comes with 200 studs, the 2mm and 3mm. So that's pretty cool. And this one just comes in the box like that with foam in it. It doesn't come with the carrying case, but it's all right. I put it away in this anyways. So let me take it out so I can show you what's in there. So this is what it looks like, how it comes in the case. I tend to put it back the same way that I got it. I don't know, I just do that. The slide hammer, China. I've seen people, when they use it the first time, it breaks. It pops from here or something like that. But mine hasn't broken, so knock on wood. It's working out pretty good. And then it comes with the little baggie. The baggie comes with a little replacement tip. There's already one here, so it comes with two, one there. And then the 2mm and then the 3mm studs. I put it back in there. Instructions. But yeah, but it's been working out for me. I've used it on both doors. I've also used it on the hood. I don't think I've used it on anywhere else. I think that was it. But if I remember, I'll put the clips in here too. Alright, YouTube, so I just wanted to show you what I've been using for straightening out the panels over here. 100 bucks, like I said, 100 bucks for that one and 40 bucks for that one. Not sure if Harbor Freight is still doing the same pricing, but that's what I've been using. For those of you that want to buy some tooling or are looking to buy some tooling to try to straighten out your car, that's what I've used. I mean, it's worked for me. People have different opinions. It is what it is, but this is what I've been using, and it's worked out for me. It's looking pretty good. So for those of you that are new viewers, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like, leave a comment. I'm over here working on the monte, so stay tuned for those videos. This build is coming together slowly, but it is coming together. Block party, let's go.